Saudi Arabia plans to open a store in Riyadh where non-Muslims can buy alcohol. This will be the first alcohol shop in the city in over 70 years. The purpose is to provide a legal option for diplomats who have been bringing in alcohol using official sealed packages called diplomatic pouches. These actions are part of a series of efforts called Vision 2030, aimed at making Saudi society more liberal. The Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is leading these initiatives. The establishment of a liquor store in Riyadh caused backlash from Muslims worldwide. In Islam, the consumption of alcoholic beverages is explicitly forbidden and considered haram, meaning prohibited by Islamic law. The prohibition is rooted in the teachings of the Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, as well as in the sayings and practices of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The opening of the alcohol store comes as Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has been approving new laws and regulations set to boost the country's business and tourism. The decision is part of the country's Vision 2030, a Saudi development roadmap that aims to build a post-oil economy. Drinking alcohol is forbidden in Islam. Selling, purchasing, or consuming alcohol in Saudi Arabia is illegal. According to Business Today, drinking alcohol in Saudi Arabia is punishable by hundreds of lashes, deportation, fines, or imprisonment. The source revealed that customers will have to register via mobile app and receive a clearance code from the country's foreign minister in order to shop at the store. They will also have to respect monthly quotas with their alcohol purchases. This is not the first time the country has started to open up more liberal policies. For the past couple of years, Saudi Arabia has been hosting several mixed gender festivals. Before recently, such events did not exist.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.